Hi everyone, it's Robin from Faith and Flower, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I am preparing our guest room and bathroom for Memorial Day guests. And so we're going to start off with cleaning, and then I'm going to give you a little tour of this space in our home. I like to work from the top down when I'm cleaning, and so I'm starting with dusting the crown molding. I'm using my eCloth extendable duster, and it is perfect for these jobs because I can extend this as high as I need to reach everything very easily. I'm doing the crown molding, and I also do the vents and lights while I'm up there. Once that's finished, I move on to the fan, and again, this is the perfect tool. I can angle it just how I like to reach it without having to get a ladder, which is how I used to clean it. And if you guys haven't tried eCloth, I do have a referral link in the description box below, so I hope that you will use it to check out their great cleaning tools. We have friends coming in to visit us who have never visited Austin before, so that's always fun because we enjoy taking them around and showing them all of our favorite places. Let me know in the comments below what you and your family are doing for this Memorial Day weekend. I love hearing from you guys, and so it will be fun to know how you're spending your weekend, whether you're traveling or just staying at home for a long, quiet weekend. Either way, I hope that you have the opportunity to enjoy your family and friends. I washed and changed the sheets a couple days ago when I did the rest of our family's laundry, and so you won't see me refreshing the bed, but that's something that I would definitely recommend doing if you're having guests. Even if you wash them after your last guest and it's been a little while, it's always nice to give your guests fresh sheets. Using my eCloth extendable duster makes cleaning the blinds so quick and easy. And I love that I can wash it in my washing machine so that it comes out perfectly clean for the next time I want to use it. Then I'm on to cleaning the guest bathroom, and this bathroom doesn't get a lot of use when we don't have guests, so it's not really dirty, but again, I just like to refresh everything so that it's just as clean and sparkling as possible for when our guests arrive. For the inside of the toilet, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner, and for the outside, I'm using the 7th generation disinfecting wipes. And it looks like I'm getting a little low on those wipes, and they are my favorite product to use to clean our toilets, so I'm definitely going to have to add that to my Grove Collaborative order. And I do buy almost all of my cleaning products from the Grove Collaborative. If you guys haven't checked them out, you really should. You can use my referral link in the description box below, and you'll get a 5-piece free gift set with your first $20 order. And even though you can buy some of the products that they sell on the Grove at your local grocery store or at Target, every time I've checked, they've definitely beat the prices. And with their VIP program, which you will also get, I believe it's a 60-day free trial with my referral code, you will get free shipping. So you can try them basically at no risk, and I highly recommend it. In addition to cleaning products for your home, they have personal care products, even makeup. They have pet products and all sorts of things for your home. So if you like using natural products in your home, this is the best source that I've found. To clean the mirror and the countertop, I'm using my microfiber cloth from eCloth, and I will follow it with their window polishing cloth to give everything a streak-free shine. A few things that I really like to do for our guest is to make sure that this cabinet that is above the toilet is stocked with extra toilet paper. I also have like extra body wash and some hotel shampoos and soaps, plus even hairspray, in case they forget anything. Hopefully they can find what they need in here. And I'm just going to take out the towels and put them on the towel rack so that everything is obvious for them and they won't have trouble finding whatever it is that they need. Underneath the sink, I have a container there just in case we have a leak. We experienced this problem once before, and so to avoid having our cabinet damaged again, this is my solution. Plus, I keep plungers in there and a candle because I just want them to have everything that they need and that they don't have to ask me for something like that. And in this little drawer, I also keep a lot of extra things that are there to help them be comfortable while they're staying with us. We have some toothbrush packets that we get from our dentist. It has toothbrushes, floss, and toothpaste even, plus some hotel little mending kits, soap, some extra shampoo and conditioner. I have a lot of that, so they shouldn't run out, and even a nail file and night lights. this bottom drawer, I keep an extra blow dryer because this is such a bulky item. It's nice if they travel that they don't have to bring their own. I like to keep all of the other drawers completely empty so that they have plenty of space to put their makeup or other toiletries while they're staying with us, and they can feel right at home. I'll give you guys a little peek inside the shower as well, because I do keep full-size bottles of body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and a brand new bar of soap. I also have a bottle of shower spray that they can use to spray the shower when they're finished if they choose. I also keep a squeegee on a hook here in the shower, and that's mostly for me when I clean the shower after our guests leave, because we have hard water and it's just the easiest way to clean the glass. And I also provide a hook here. They're just command hooks, and that is for a washcloth or a loofah or whatever they like to use in the shower. I just received this Simply Earth recipe box for June, and this one is called Summer Loving, and it is perfect for having guests in the house. We are preparing for a sunny Memorial Day outside, and so many of the recipes are going to come in handy. I'm really excited about it. While I finish cleaning the bathroom, I'm going to try out the Summer Day Diffuser blend, and this actually uses 1 drop of each of the essential oils that come in this month's recipe box. To my diffuser, I'm going to add 1 drop of the Head Soothing Essential Oil Blend, and it is a combination of hoe wood, lavender, and frankincense. Next, I'll add 1 drop of Star Anise, and that is a strong, sweet, and spicy scent that reminds me of licorice. 1 drop of Palmarosa, and that is spicy, floral, and has a rose aroma. 1 drop of grapefruit, which is very uplifting, energizing, and fresh. This combination really is very summery and fresh, and it's going to make the guest bedroom and bathroom so welcoming. While I have everything out, I'm also going to put together the After Sun blend. And all it takes is 3 tablespoons of liquid aloe vera. That also comes in this month's box. And then to that, we'll add 20 drops of Head Soothing Essential Oil Blend and 10 drops of the Palmarosa Essential Oil. And then I will add a 1/4 cup of distilled water, and you just shake it and then you spray it on your skin after a day in the sun. I think this is going to be really great to have on hand after our weekend. We're hoping for some sunny weather, and we'd like to spend some time either at Barton Creek or at our pool and walking around downtown Austin. And hopefully no one will wind up with a sunburn. I'm going to have lots of sunscreen on hand as well, but I think that this would be really soothing after a day in the sun or even right out of the shower. I love essential oils. I'm actually rather obsessed with them, and I like diffusing them. I like using them in new recipes for personal care and for uses in our home, even for pets, if you guys have seen some previous videos. And Simply Earth is where I like to buy all of my essential oils. They're 100% pure, and the prices really cannot be beat. So whether you guys are interested in their subscription recipe boxes or you just would like a reliable place to buy some essential oils that are very high quality at a good price, check out my link in the description box below. The last thing I'm going to do today is vacuum the floors, and we keep our vacuum in this linen closet, which is right outside of the guest bathroom and bedroom. I'm not even planning to mop today. I did that last week, and with the exception of Austin being in here while I was cleaning today, he usually doesn't have access to this area, so that really helps me to keep it clean, and it also cuts down on any pet dander that would accumulate in here, because sometimes we have guests that are allergic to dogs, and I like to keep their living area free of that. I often get questions about our vacuum, and it is a Miele Marin, and I absolutely love it. It's super powerful, and it is quite an investment, but I think it is well worth it. It's a type of vacuum that would truly last a lifetime, and I wish that we had purchased one a lot sooner. But I do have a link for it in my Amazon store, and you can find that in the description box below. You may be able to find it at a better price from somewhere else, but if you go to my Amazon store, you can get all of the information on the model number or read reviews, and hopefully that will help you in your vacuum search if you're in the market for a new vacuum. In a recent conversation with my mom, she mentioned that to her, a room is not truly clean if you have not vacuumed underneath the rugs. And so I took this to heart. It's something that I probably have not been doing as great of a job with. I do it when I'm zone cleaning or deep cleaning a room, but on a regular basis, I probably do skip that. So you can see me making a little bit more of an effort to clean under the edges of the rug. And so you are never too old to learn something new from your mom. Thanks, Mom. Now for a little tour of our guest room. I keep this dresser completely empty so that our guests can have plenty of storage, and we have family that come from quite far away, so sometimes they spend a week or more here, and I want them to feel at home. I also like to keep the closet empty except for an extra robe, plenty of hangers, and extra pillows. In the nightstand drawer, we keep the remote for the ceiling fan so they can access that from their bed. And I even found some extra postcards from Austin, which I know not many people use those anymore, but I thought it would be a fun touch to include those in there too. This sort of storage ottoman or trunk at the foot of the bed is a great place for our guests to rest their suitcases while they unpack. These doors lead to the courtyard right at the front of our house and our front entrance, so our guests can actually come and go without having to come through the main part of the house if they choose. And it's a popular design here in Austin, and they call this a casita, so it's a small, almost separate part of our house. And of course, they have their bathroom right next door. I know that not every home has the space to provide for guests in this way, and we didn't always have it either. In our previous homes, guests often had to share space with other family members, especially bathrooms, and we just look for little ways to help them feel at home. And so I hope that this video gave you some inspiration for that. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. And if you were new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And when you subscribe, make sure to activate the bell icon, because that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you guys. I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, and I will see you in the next video.